Hey, it's Maya K. Welcome back. If you're new, thanks for tuning in to How I Do Things My Way. So by the title of this video, you already know what's about to happen. I had these braids in for about 2 months, so it's about time that they come out. Just showing you all the new growth here, and let's get started. So the best thing about my method, you're only going to need a spray bottle and some castor oil, which, you know, these two things should be in your natural hair vault. To start off, I'm going to spray my braid with some water, take some oil in my hand and put it on top, and then just start from the bottom and start unraveling. Sometimes when we have to take out our hair, there can be a lot of shedding, tangling of your hair in the extension, or even a few knots, or maybe even a hairball. And my method definitely minimizes all the issues with that. It also makes washing and detangling much easier. Make sure you saturate that braid really well with some water. Oil up, be very generous with it, and unravel. This is so easy, it's almost as if the braid is just slipping through your fingers. So here I'm just giving you a close-up of what the braid looks like mid-takeout. There's no tangling, no pulling. You know, you're using your fingers. You don't want to use no rat tail comb or no brush or anything like that. All you need is your fingers and your arm strength. To explain the method behind the madness, you should never detangle your hair dry. You always want to detangle it wet, which is why I sprayed my braids. And the oil just provides that slippage that you need. So here I am, thinking that I was done, only to come to find out that I wasn't. Side note, these were wig braids, which is my #1 go-to protective hairstyle. Now I'm just showing you one more time how the extension just slips right out of my hair. Thank you for watching How I Do Things My Way. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out another video. Bye!